Hi, my name is Davis Driver. With the considerable help of my wife of nearly 40 years, Ann, another highly experienced real estate husband and wife team named Jack and Kathleen Spidell, plus an assistant, I operate a 5-person luxury boutique residential real estate practice in North Scottsdale, Arizona. We're principally focused on a gated golf and recreational community known as Desert Mountain, where I came to work 30 years ago as a sales executive. We've been a member of the private club here for most of that time, and we've lived in the community for about 10 years. So we know this community like the back of our hands, and we've enjoyed a fair amount of success over the years. During that time, we've had many very nice listings. I'm about to introduce you to one that we know of as Saguaro Forest 280. Its address is 9683 East Mariola Drive. It's a beautiful home, a little over 9,000 square feet in size, and is one of the nicest homes in one of the nicest villages here in Desert Mountain, known as the Saguaro Forest. Come on, let's go show it to you. The first impression of the home when you get to the top of a driveway is very impressive. There's a circular driveway that gives you a nice view of the 2 garages, the front courtyard, and a great feel for the structure and design of the house. The front door is inside a small courtyard where there is also a small fountain. The sound of falling water is a pleasant introduction to the home. As you see, once you get into the home, you're in this 18-foot in diameter foyer with a great place to put some fresh glads, and this wonderful iron chandelier above makes a very nice opening statement. The surrounding ceiling has got some directable art lights, so if you want to hang some beautiful art here, that would be a great place to do that. When you step out of the foyer into the great room, there's quite a lot to take in. First, the scale of the great room is impressive. The ceilings are 15 feet high and beamed. The views out the tall windows of the mountains will get your attention in a serious way. There is a 24-foot wide electric pocket door that opens up to allow you to step into the back patio seamlessly. Next is a breakfast nook, followed by the kitchen, and a big wet bar with a back bar that has a large screen television in it. Okay, well obviously now we are in the kitchen, which is the heart of virtually everybody's home. Equipment-wise, you've got 2 Sub-Zero side-by-side refrigerator or freezers. All the cabinetry is soft-close hardware, so you can't slam them. There's a microwave right here, an easy altitude to work with. And here's a big kitchen prep sink, an 8-burner Wolf stove with a big griddle in the middle and 2 full-size ovens. There are 2 warming drawers in the pantry behind me on the way to the dining room. There are 3 drawers here that have a series of pegs and pins where you can set your dishes in here and organize these things where they don't rattle and they all stay nice and organized. So from the standpoint of cooking and entertaining in this kitchen, it would be terrific. In keeping with the overall scale of the house, there is a large dining room. It would be a beautiful place to entertain either a small crowd or a big one. Adjacent to that is a wine room that can easily hold 500 bottles of wine. I'm now at the head of the wing that the master bedroom and the bathrooms and the dressing rooms are on. And I want to emphasize one thing, it is very private. This door behind me goes to the second garage. This hallway goes back to the dining room and the kitchen and so forth. But these double doors can be closed off, and the master suite, you wouldn't know anything else was going on in the house. So her bathroom is here. Her lovely dressing room is here. It's very elegant. There's a nice breakfast bar here, coffee bar, under-counter refrigerator, place to drop your keys, put a coffee maker. His bathroom is here, and here is his closet, which is very special. It is a safe room. This is a bulletproof door, solid as it can be, and there's a television monitor in here which will pick up the images from up to 20 security cameras around the house. Now we're going to go into the master bedroom, which is actually 2 rooms in one. As you can see, we are in a library here, beautiful place for your book collection and a place to be quiet away from all the hubbub in the rest of the house. And around this divide, you've got a very spacious and romantic bedroom. The views to the east are over the 16th fairway of the Chiricahua Golf Course, and the views to the west are out over the pool. If you look up, here's one of the other of the 7 domes. If you leave the foyer to the right, there is a powder room immediately on your left with another powder room at the end of the hallway. A laundry room follows next with natural light and a very nice dog washing station. Next are 2 spectacular guest bedrooms, each with wonderful views of the mountains nearby. followed by an exercise room, and at the end of the hall, 2 steps down to a 2-story executive office. Downstairs in that office is a sitting area with a television, and the work area is upstairs in a place that affords fantastic views out tall windows of the immediate mountains. On the right-hand side of this hallway, towards the second powder room, is a combination pool room and a THX home theater. It's a very special room that you are sure to have a lot of fun in. Next is one of the 2 executive offices with one of the 7 domes in the ceiling. After that is an entrance into the larger of the 2 garages, which is big enough for 4 cars. There is some workbench area and another air-conditioned storeroom. Let's go across the auto courtyard and visit the Casita. Upon entering the Casita, you find yourself in a living room. To your left is a full kitchen with a full-size refrigerator and a range top. There are 2 bedrooms that share a 2-vanity bathroom. Your family and friends will really enjoy the privacy afforded by what is essentially a separate house. I get so excited every time I get into this back patio. It's so big for starters. This pool looks so inviting, it makes me want to jump into it. We're a long way away from any noisy roads, so it's just an ideal back patio situation. Thank you very much for your time. It's a privilege and a pleasure to be able to share a lovely home like this with you. Some family is going to be very lucky, and I think in the fairly near future, given the pace of our market, and they're going to be in here and enjoy this home for themselves. If you'd like some further information on it, I'm easy to reach. My phone number is 602-399-0116. You can call or text me anytime. My email address is davis@davisdriver.com. We'd be happy to help you learn about this house or any other aspect about Desert Mountain. Have a great day.